these knives are sent to me by one person. That one's tiny. 21 knives, all to be sharpened. We're gonna sharpen them completely free because that's the best way to grow our channel. Now, on top of that, I have a special surprise. They also sent me another Microtech, a Leatherman, and a Benchmade, which I used to charge for sharpening knives, but lately I've been wanting to do it for free because one, we're gonna be teaching people how to sharpen knives, at least my way. I don't know, I get a lot of comments saying that's the wrong way. Wrong way, right way, it gets sharp. Two, it's also more fun because he was able to send me all these knives. He didn't have to worry about anything other than just shipping. And three, he's been sending me so many knives that I'm like, hey, I was doing a giveaway a while back ago. Haven't picked a winner yet, but I have an idea who won. So for sending me all these knives, we're gonna be doing the giveaway on the Ken Onion tool sharpener, knife and tool sharpener. Since you've been sending me all these knives, it's been able to help me grow my channel, be able to make videos. I know I was slacking a while ago. Haven't made a video in a while, then all of a sudden I kind of made a few. But to get things kicked off better, we're gonna be giving you this knife sharpener. Hopefully you keep sending knives though. But it'll at least be a fun little tool to use whenever you get bored. So whenever I get done sharpening all your knives and get everything all cleaned up, we're gonna ship everything back along with the Ken Onion. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for everyone helping me grow this channel. Also, don't forget that on YouTube, we're gonna be giving away a Tormek T8 once we hit 10,000 subscribers. So that's like a $1,200 sharpening machine. Super fun to use. Anyways, thanks for watching. Now we gotta sharpen all these knives.